This is the Skoda Fabia MK3 2015-2021, and this vehicle in most cases will not have the dedicated relay for the cooling fan. It will have a special control module that is built in a cooling fan housing, or in model year 2015, as far as I know, it may be tracked down by following the wires from the fan. But anyway, the module is very rarely the culprit. In most cases, you will need to have a look at the fuses. And first of all, the fuses that control the power to the cooling fan is the fuse here in the engine compartment fuse box, is the fuse number 1. And also there is another fuse connected with the cooling fan system, and is the fuse in the interior, fuse number 31. Interior fuse box is open like this. And here you will need to find the fuse 31